feet above the coast of green. The world's a map of what has been, a trace a river's bend, a canyon scar, a ghostly field from ages